If you're looking to expand your portfolio by investing in REITs, it's important to understand the basic types you might invest in. Keep watching. Retail REITs. A retail REIT owns, operates, manages, acquires, and develops retail-related real estate. Such properties include freestanding retail properties, strip malls, outlet centers, power centers, and shopping centers and malls. Many retail REITs focus on a specific tenant base and property type. They make money by renting space in their properties to service providers, retailers, and others. Most retail REITs earn via gross leases, where a tenant pays a fixed rental rate each month depending on square feet and a section of the common area. Freestanding retail property REITs use triple net leases, where the tenant pays for rent, real estate taxes, and building insurance and maintenance. A triple net lease helps a REIT earn a stable cash flow. Residential REITs. A residential REIT allows you to purchase real estate without taking out a large mortgage loan. The REIT only buys residential properties, including manufactured housing, student housing, condo buildings, apartment buildings, single-family homes, and townhomes. Residential REITs are recession-resistant investment vehicles. People still require homes to live in, even in a recession economy. Because of this, the value of your residential REIT share often stays solid and may even increase during economic slowdowns. Years of inventory shortages are driving home prices high, making it hard for people to purchase homes. More people opt to rent for longer periods because of larger down payments and tougher loan qualification processes. Healthcare REITs. Healthcare REITs own, manage, and collect rent from real estate in the healthcare industry. Some properties they own include hospitals, senior living facilities, medical office buildings, skilled nursing facilities, and life sciences research facilities. Demand for healthcare-related real estate continues growing, and REITs are likely to benefit from the rising rental rates. Further, they also develop new properties to meet the growing demand. Office REITs. An office REIT builds, manages, and maintains office buildings. It leases the offices to companies who require space to accommodate employees. While some firms own the buildings they work from, most turn to office REITs that specialize in office spaces in central business districts and suburban areas. The buildings range from office parks to skyscrapers. Potential customers include government agencies, banks, and law firms. Mortgage REITs. Mortgage REITs, MREITs, invest in residential mortgage-backed securities, RMBS, commercial mortgage-backed securities, CMBS, and residential and commercial mortgages. Most MREITs focus on commercial or residential mortgage markets, but some invest in CMBS and RMBS. The REITs earn income from the interest paid on the assets. MREITs are critical in providing real estate market liquidity. They provide an essential function in the economy by facilitating the housing market. Without MREITs, the industry would have less liquidity, which makes it difficult for borrowers to find financing opportunities. REITs provide most benefits of real estate investing and only a few cons. However, consult with a financial advisor who will help develop a cohesive strategy for your investment portfolio. For more info, visit our site today. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.